MAC Studio Fix New Formulation Press Powder Foundation NW45. It looks like this. I will be using this sponge to apply it on my left, which will be your right. NATASHA DENONA High Glam Press Powder Foundation P10. I am going to use this sponge that came with it to apply it on my right side, which will be your left when watching this video. MAC New Formulation, NATASHA DENONA. Let's see which one is a better fit for my complexion. Ready to start using the MAC New Formulation, and it is still NW45. The old shade NW45, the new shade NW45. I just saw somewhere that they have 67 shades in the MAC Studio Fix. So try and see if you can get a shade. This powder foundation is really good. I am sweating, and you can also use the MAC powder foundation wet also. So don't be afraid to use it wet. Today's motivational, encouraging word is I look for things to be thankful for. I look for things to be thankful for. The accent comes out every now and then, trying to trip me up. But this is the MAC. I just stamp it in because my face is like so sweaty. So I just decide to stamp it in. I will take a brush later and brush it off. But this is what new MAC formulation NW45 is looking like on my face. I did half of my face so you can see what it looks like. Can you see it? It is truly a nice pressed powder foundation. I love powder foundations. The NATASHA DENONA sponge has this little thing where you can put your hand in and you can use it. So I'm going to keep my hands in there and use it. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the MAC. I'm just gonna press it in. It don't hold too well, but I'll still keep doing it. I have a pressed powder foundation playlist. Please check it out so you can see all the different ones I have tried. Maybe something you have tried or you want to try. Hopefully you will find it in there and it will be helpful to you. But check my playlist out. Holding it like this doesn't work, so I'm just gonna hold it regular. Check my playlist out. I have lots of playlists on powder foundation, liquid foundations. I also have lots of makeup because that's really, I love that also. So check those out. But I do have playlists so you can check out. This is the NATASHA DENONA on my right, which will be your left. Now I'm going to use a brush to just take off the excess. I have two brushes. Eco Tools ELF. I'm going to use Eco Tool on the NATASHA DENONA side. ELF on the MAC side. I am laughing because I'm like, if I didn't have those two powders in hand, I would think they're the same thing. They look the same. Tell me in the comments what you think. Oh my Lord. I just nick this thing right here. Okay. Tell me what you think in the comments because to me, they look the same over here. Well, the NATASHA kind of look a little darker. But I don't see much of a difference. Tell me if you see a difference. MAC Studio Fix NW45 new formula. My left, your right. NATASHA DENONA High Glam Press Powder Foundation P10. Let me know what you think. I'm coming closer because I am trying to figure out which one looks different here. But to me, they look the same. Okay, let me stay straight so you can see. This is so interesting. I mean, this is interesting. I love them both. Tell me in the comments what you're thinking. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and they're beautiful. They're beautiful foundations. Remember today's I look for things to be thankful for. Always remember you first. Love yourself daily. Do not give up on yourself. If you need any type of help, please reach out. Have no shame. I thank you very much. MAC, Studio Fix, Press Powder Foundation, NW45, my left, your right. My right, your left. NATASHA, High Glam, Press Powder Foundation, P10. Let's have a conversation. And keep watching because there is more comparisons coming up with the NATASHA DENONA, which will be Fenty. Keep watching. I love you daily. Hype this video, and I will see you shortly. Bye.